Imagine how IoT can revolutionize your business efficiency and productivity. Businesses have an incredible opportunity to streamline operations, cut expenses, and elevate customer experience like never before, as well as comply with emerging green standards to gain that all-important competitive edge.
RAD built an out-of-the-box smart business IoT solution that includes wireless LoRaWAN sensors, IoT gateways, and an IoT dashboard that provides actionable business insights.
RAD went even further by providing a complete turnkey solution that includes a marketing website, marketplace website integration, fulfillment and shipping services, plug-and-place installation of sensors and gateways, automatically activated dashboard, lifecycle management and customer service. Imagine a retail store where you retrieve real-time analytics and business intelligence, detect excessive heating, cooling, or lighting, analyze population trends in the store, send emergency alerts by pushing an alert button, and monitor employee and guest presence and satisfaction. Business insights for a restaurant. Detect smoke or excessive heating, cooling, and lighting. Monitor fridges and freezers to ensure freshness of ingredients. Ensure great air quality for the guests. And finally, analyze guest presence and satisfaction. Warehouses solution benefits. Alert on unauthorized entry by door and motion sensors. Monitor light, temperature, humidity. Detect hazards to prevent business interruptions. And monitor power to reduce energy costs. Now, let's take a look at Smart Business IoT in action. In the Dashboard tab, you get a quick view of your sensor's status, history, and statistics. Everything's here and ready to go. The Events tab gives you a bird's-eye view of all alerts. Whether it's a leak, an open door, or another critical event, you're instantly notified. Notifications can be sent by email or SMS, so you're always in the loop. And that's your quick tour of Smart Business IoT. It's a turnkey solution allowing service providers to offer an attractive new asset management service, automated plug and place for easy installation, and it provides actionable business insights, all without the need for costly IT support. Curious to know more? Reach out to us at rad.com.